equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of changing the locking system on your Thermomix TM6. This is a crucial maintenance task that ensures your appliance operates safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM6. Safety is paramount, so ensure it is completely powered off before proceeding. Next, remove the bowl and the lid from the appliance. This will give you clear access to the locking mechanism. Now, locate the screws that secure the locking system. There are typically 4 screws on the underside of the lid. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the locking mechanism out of its housing. Take a moment to inspect the old locking system for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any issues, it's time to replace it. Before installing the new locking system, it's a good idea to clean the internal area where the mechanism sits. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will ensure a smooth operation once the new system is in place. Now, take your new locking system and align it with the housing. Gently press it into place, ensuring it fits snugly. Once it's seated correctly, take your screws and reattach them using the Phillips screwdriver. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your Thermomix. Our professional diagnosis without obligation ensures you get the best advice tailored to your needs. After securing the locking system, reattach the lid and bowl. Plug your Thermomix back in and perform a quick test to ensure the locking mechanism is functioning correctly. You should hear a click when the lid is locked in place. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Plus, with no calls and no travel, we make it easy for you to get the help you need. Finally, take a moment to admire your work. Changing the locking system on your Thermomix TM6 is a straightforward task that can enhance the longevity of your appliance. Regular maintenance like this can save you time and money in the long run. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.